To inspect and replace the spark plug on your Outlaw 70, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and allow it to cool completely. Set the parking brake. In the right front wheel well, clean the area around the spark plug. Carefully remove the spark plug cap. Then remove the spark plug. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion of the electrodes. Inspect the spark plug gap and adjust if necessary. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug from your dealer. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect spark plug is used. Reinstall the spark plug and torque to specification. Reinstall the spark plug cap and ensure it is fully seated. Finally, start the engine to verify proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.